What's the meaning of collectivization? Collectivization. Collectivization.
Collectivization. Collectivization. Collectivization refers to a process in which individual land and property ownership is abolished, and resources are pooled together and managed collectively by the government or a community. It often involves the forced relocation of farmers onto communal farms, and a shift towards state-controlled agriculture. The goal is to increase productivity and efficiency, and to create a more equitable distribution of resources. However, collectivization has had mixed results in practice, leading to food shortages and political oppression in some cases, while improving agricultural output and infrastructure development in others.